Okay, good morning to all of you. So, how is the day today? Nice? Okay, we are really looking forward to interacting with all of you. हम लोग बहुत वेट कर रहे थे कि आपके ग्रुप से यहाँ से हम इंटरेक्ट करेंगे and we'll be able to get to know you also and आपको हम बहुत कुछ सिखा भी पाएंगे. So we have been waiting for this time and we are so happy to have you in front of us. Now before we go further, you can see both of us on the screen, right? Am I looking as big as I am or I'm looking nice and slim? No response. Okay, no problem. So before we go further, I will like to introduce. I want to know, you are comfortable more in English or Hindi? Okay. Both? You comfortable with both? तो हम दोनों बोलेंगे मिक्स करके, okay? All right. So I am Squadron Leader Shraddha Sinha, retired from the Indian Air Force. I am the Director Special Projects here at ITFT. Okay. A little bit more introduction about myself. मैं 11 years Indian Air Force में थी as a Class 1 officer. And उसके बाद फिर मैंने Air Force छोड़ा because it was a short service commission. And I joined, I did a course from IIM Bangalore in management. And उसके बाद I became a part of HR. You know HR, Human Resources, सबको पता है? Okay, so I was a part of HR in corporate for almost about 7 years, and now I am a part of this education industry where we handle training and development and projects, and it is a wonderful journey to interact with wonderful people like you who are always willing to learn. And so I'm here now almost with 20 years of experience, sitting in front of you and interacting with you, okay? And before we proceed further, I would like you to meet my colleague and she will introduce herself.
Hello everyone! How are you all? How does it feel in Guwahati? Good? Is it as good as in Sikkim?
No response.
Okay, my name is Neha. I am here as a head of the finishing school department in Chandigarh. And talking more about myself, I've done my master's in human development and family relations. I'm pursuing my PhD in Chandigarh and placed in Chandigarh, born and brought up here itself. And talking about what are we going to be doing with you over this particular conversation, video conferencing, हम आपको बहुत सारी चीजें इसमें कराएंगे. आपका सॉफ्ट स्किल्स, आपका स्पोकन इंग्लिश, आपके हार्ड स्किल्स जिसके लिए भी आप लोगों ने अपने आप को एनरोल कराया है, उसके साथ साथ टॉकिंग पर्टिकुलरली अबाउट सॉफ्ट स्किल्स एंड इंग्लिश. वी ऑल वांट टू लर्न इंग्लिश? Yes, ma'am. Okay, how many of you want to learn English? Raise your hand. Okay, very good, wonderful. Okay, before we move ahead, now we'll do a small activity. Then I'll brief you about what are we going to do actually. Okay?
So Sucheta ma'am and other trainers, Anubha ma'am, they would have already told you to keep your names with one adjective ready. Is it?
Not yet.
Okay. So what we want is, we want a quick introduction. Okay? She is Neha.
I am nicer Neha.
No, she is naughty Neha. Okay? So like that, we want कि आप अपना नाम बोलेंगे और एक वर्ड यूज करेंगे उसके साथ जो कि उसी अल्फाबेट से शुरू होता है. Are we clear? That word can be in English, in Hindi, whatever you want. So we will do it in Hindi and English and we will do it quickly so that we can do other things also. We have more activities for you, more fun and games. तो हम जल्दी जल्दी करेंगे.
Okay, before we move ahead, I would like you to meet our chief mentor, Mrs. Indu Sharma. Ma'am.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you? Okay, अभी से फाइन अकेले नहीं बोलना है ना, कुछ अच्छे से बोलना है, कुछ बढ़िया सा. You can say I am on the top of the world. I'll say how are you? You'll say on the top of the world. Okay? How are you? On the top of the world. Clear? Okay. How are you? That's wonderful. That's where I want to see you, on the top of the world. The journey of 1,000 miles starts with number 1 step. So your step has started. Go on and achieve whatever you want to achieve in life. All the best.
With the first girl, I can see you here. You can start with your name and we will do it quickly. Okay? So already others can think of it and we can start with you.
Okay. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
My name is, I think, talented Siring Pagu Sherpa.
Lovely.
Very nice.
That's great. And we will do it quickly. Further about you, we will get to know in other sessions. So girls, just keep moving forward, introducing yourselves, your names, and keep going back. Okay?
Thank you, Shirin.
Thank you. Come, the next one.
Next one,
Keep
girl.
getting up. Keep moving. Be in the line. The other one, be in the line. The one behind, be in the line.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
My name is Yang Chindoma Uchiya.
Okay. So what is the adjective from R?
Yang Chin, why?
Oh, Y. Okay.
Yanching, Y.
Yanching. Okay. So what is the adjective from Y? Think.
Yang Chindoma.
Yes, young Yanching. Very nice. Very nice.
My name is Smita Rai.
Okay.
My executive name is Ismail.
Oh, wow.
Smiling
Wonderful.
Smita. Beautiful.
Very nice.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Sunita Subba, ma'am.
Come again.
My name is Sunita Subba. My executive name is.
Okay. Adjective is? There's so many.
Sweet Sunita.
Sweet Sunita. Very nice. Very nice. Anji.
My name is Sunita Subba.
A little louder.
My name is Sunita Subba.
Okay. Yeah, Sunita.
Sunita is happy.
Any adjective from S? Oh,
Sunita is.
yeah,
Smart
smart Sunita.
Sunita. Very
Lovely.
nice.
Very nice.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
My name is Geeta Devi Shetty.
Okay.
Great Geeta.
Great, Geeta.
Very
Okay,
nice.
wonderful.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Next.
Geeta.
My name is Kesang Lucky Bhatia. I'm kind Kesang.
Very nice. Kind. Very nice. Lovely.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Next.
I Lolita.
I like that.
Lolita. I Lolita. Lovely Lolita.
Lovely, Lalita.
Very
Excellent, Lalita. Great. Please, the next person, please come and sit here.
Niruka Chetri.
Nirmala, right?
Niruka Chetri.
I didn't get your first name.
Niruka Chetri.
Renuka. Okay, Renuka, tell us. Great. Ravishing. Okay? You can say ravishing. And you can check up the meaning later. It means beautiful.
Ravishing Renuka.
Okay? Say I'm ravishing Renuka.
You have to say Ravishing Renuka.
Say, come on. Very nice. I'm ravishing Renuka. That's great. Sorry?
My name is Manisha Sharma. Lecturer Manisha Sharma.
I can't
My
hear
name
you.
is Sharma. My name is Manisha Sharma.
Ananta.
Yes, tell us the adjective.
Mature Manisa Sharma.
Mature Manita, right?
Very nice.
Excellent. Very nice. Thank you. Next.
Good morning, both of you.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
My name is Kalpana Subba.
Okay.
Kalpana, very nice.
Yes.
My Kalpana Subba.
Okay, Kalpana, tell us the adjective.
Kind heart.
Okay, kind-hearted Kalpana. Very nice.
Sita Maya Gai.
Okay, Sita. Yeah. Okay, tell us the adjective.
Shreya.
Shreya.
Say that again.
Shreya.
Priya.
Your name is Shreya. Okay, you tell us the adjective.
Sweet.
Sweet Shreya.
Very
Okay,
nice.
fine. Thank you. Very nice. So we have two sweet girls here, right?
Yes.
Two sweet and one smart. Okay, nobody can say more than two, okay? You have to think of a new adjective. Hi.
My name is Karma Eden Bhutia.
Karma. Okay, Karma. Tell us the adjective.
And I am Karakdar Karma Eden Bhutia.
Karakdar, you
I
said?
am Karakdar.
Karakdar. Very nice.
Lovely.
We like it.
Thank you. Yes, we love it.
Hi, my name is Susmita Rai.
Smita, okay. Sunita, tell us.
Sweet.
Who's some other adjective? There are so many sweet girls
Too
now.
many sweet people. We want something else now. People, you can help your friend. Others who have adjectives in mind can help her.
Sharing.
Tell us.
Sharing.
Sorry, can't hear you clearly.
Sharing. Sharing.
Sharing, Sunita? Sharing, Sunita? Okay, that's nice. Thank you. Yeah. There is, the image is blurring a little. So
Parag
just
sir,
check.
you are there?
Parag, I'll just call him. Can you see us?
Ma'am, it is very much blurred. Image is very blurred.
Little blurred, but we can hear you clearly. Your voice is quite clear.
Yeah.
So maybe,
Actually.
Okay.
yeah, maybe if the mic could be adjusted.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell us.
Hi.
My name is Nirmala Sharma.
Okay, Nirmala. Nirmala or Nirmala?
Nirmala Sharma.
Okay, Nirmala, tell us.
Nothing. Nothing, ma'am.
Nothing. Nothing.
No,
Nirmala.
nothing is not an adjective. We will not take it. I told you now what is Neha.
Naughty Neha.
So you can say something like that, naughty or nice or something else.
Nice.
Nice. Okay, you're not naughty like Neha. Okay, good, good. Thank you. Okay, okay, Nirmala, you can go.
Thank you.
Hello, ma'am. My Kinchotoma Bhutia.
Okay, and the adjective.
Kinchotoma
Okay, Kinchu, just tell us the adjective.
Khushi.
Khushi. Lovely. That's a beautiful word. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
My name is Jwala Subba.
Jwala. Hi, Jwala. Yeah.
Jackpot Jwala.
Jackpot Jwala. Okay, that is nice.
nice.
Okay. So you keep winning jackpots, huh? Jwala? Hi.
My name is Elena.
Sorry, say that
My name
again.
is Elena.
Is it from A?
Erica.
My name is Elena.
Elena.
Very
Okay.
nice.
Okay.
Angela. Angela.
Angel. Angel Elena? That's what you said? Wow, nice. Yes. You do look angelic. Thank you, Alina. Hi.
My name is Purvadoma Tamang. Purvadoma Tamang.
Okay, okay. Tell us.
Polite girl.
Very nice. Lovely. Okay.
My name is Pavitra Rai. My name is Pavitra Rai.
Okay. Tell us, tell us. Don't feel shy. Come on.
Peaceful. Peaceful.
Peaceful. Okay, nice. Very nice. Thank you.
My name is Anita Rai.
Okay.
Adorable Anita.
Adorable? Adorable is the word? How nice. That's
Wow,
a very
very
sweet word. Yeah. Can you quickly come and be seated here so that we don't take more time? The other girl also.
My name is Pavitra Subba. Pavitra Subba.
Say that again.
My name Pavitra Subba.
Babita. Okay, Babita, tell us.
Pretty.
Pretty. But you said your name is Babita, right? From B, no?
Pavitra.
Pavitra.
Very
Pretty
nice.
Pavitra. That sounds beautiful. Now say it. I am pretty Pavitra. Say it once more.
Pretty Pavitra.
Very nice. Thank you, Pavitra. Thank you.
Hi.
I am Ratnamaya Guru. I am romantic.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you. Can you be a little louder?
I am Ratnamaya Guru.
Ratna. Okay, Ratna. Tell us the adjective.
I am romantic.
Wow! Lovely.
Very
That's
nice.
a lovely adjective.
Very
Romantic
nice.
Ratna. Thank you so much.
Yes, my name is Chela Tamang.
Okay.
My detective is congratulations. Congratulations. Congratulations, Chela Tamang.
It's a verb.
You have to tell us something else.
Because congratulations is a verb. Adjective जो आपकी एक खासियत हो.
आपके बारे में कुछ बताए हमें.
जैसे charming.
Charming, chirpy, cute.
Charming.
Okay, charming.
Now
Very
you-
nice.
One more time, you will not put your hand on your mouth and you'll say your name again.
Hand down, hand down.
Charming, Chela Tamang.
Very
Yes,
good.
very nice. That's good.
My name is Geeta Sharma.
Okay.
My name is Geeta Sharma.
Okay, Geeta.
Hi, Geeta.
Alright. I am glamorous Geeta.
Wow, fantastic. You girls are all the lovely girls, glamorous, charming, beautiful. I like it.
Romantic.
Romantic, yes.
Hi.
I am Devi Chetri. I am Dream.
You have to be louder. We could not understand.
I am Devi Chetri.
Devi. Okay, Devi.
I am Dream.
Dream. Okay, you can say
Dream
you are
girl, Deeva.
dreamy. Or you can say you're a dream girl, or you can say you're a dreamy. Dreamy Devi, you can say. Say, I am dreamy Devi.
Right.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi. Hi.
Just 1 minute. The other girl, please come and be seated here. Other chairs, both the chairs should be full all the time. Yes, tell us.
Karshan Dumatamang.
Okay.
Kiss me.
Say again.
Kiss me. My name is Karshan Dumatamang.
Okay.
Kiss me.
Kiss me. I'm not clear what you're saying. Suchita, can you just help? What is she saying?
Kashan Dumatama.
Kasha. So you have to
Okay.
say something with K. So short. So it's to be with K.
Give me.
That's what I said.
That cannot be an adjective, you know. So you have to tell something which जो आपके बारे में कुछ बताता है.
Kind-hearted.
I know K से listen K से ज्यादा नहीं है, kind ही है. आपके लिए स्पेशली आप कोई भी और एडजेक्टिव बोलना चाहते हैं तो बोल सकते हैं, कुछ भी.
Kind-hearted means.
Okay, kind-hearted. Very nice. Thank you. Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Hi.
Good morning.
Hello. My name is Renuka.
Hi, Renuka.
And it's Ravishing name.
Very nice.
Ravishing.
Renuka. Lovely. Okay, Renuka.
Hello, good morning.
Hi.
Hello.
My name is Chiring Jordan Bhutia.
Okay.
I'm true Chiring.
Sorry, adjective again.
True Chiring.
True. True, right?
True children.
Very nice. Or you can say, I'm truthful, Shirin. Okay? Okay. Thank you.
My name is Panchamit Lipcha.
Okay.
Preeti Panchamit.
What did you say? Pretty, right? Say again. Say
Can you be a
again.
little louder?
Panchamit.
That is your name?
Panchamit Lipcha.
Okay. And what is the adjective?
Pretty, kind, powerful.
Preeti.
Yeah, you are
Very
looking
good.
also very pretty. Very nice. Thank you.
My name is Dauki Lipcha. And
Little louder.
my name is Dauki Lipcha.
Okay.
And my exact name is Dasin.
Say that again.
Dasin.
Dazzling.
Dazzling. Lovely.
Very nice.
That's nice. That's very nice.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
I am Madhu Limbu. I'm coming from
Yeah, Madhu, tell us.
Madhu Limbu.
Okay.
I'm to Lexi Bazar. I brought up you. I have teenage name. But I want to love to say I love you, ma'am.
Oh, love you too.
So sweet. And what is the adjective?
Yes, ma'am.
Adjective.
Adjective with your name from M.
My name is IGFT classes. My
No, beta, your name is Madhu. So some adjective starting with M.
जो वर्ड आपको M से डिस्क्राइब करता हो, कोई भी वर्ड जो M से हो. आपके नेम M से स्टार्ट होता है ना, आपका नेम M से स्टार्ट होता है ना, तो M से कोई भी वर्ड.
Mind blowing Madhu. Mysterious Madhu.
my brain, ma'am.
Mind blowing Madhu.
Okay.
Okay.
Very nice.
Mind blowing Madhu. Very sweet.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm Moti Tamang.
Okay.
Jotang. Moti Tamang.
No, sorry. Madhu? Mati. Okay, so it's something with M.
Manual.
First,
Manual.
Which one? What from M?
Manual.
No, that is not an adjective. Something else. You can say, what was the other word we said?
Mysterious.
Mysterious.
Marvelous, Madhu.
Marvelous. Yeah, you can say marvelous also, right? So what are you? You're marvelous?
Oh, you're mind blowing.
I'm everything. Okay, I'm marvelous, mind-blowing, mysterious. My God. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Hi. Good morning.
Hi. Good morning.
Myself, Sukrani Subba. Unique Sukhu.
No, you have to be louder.
Thank you, ma'am.
Louder, louder, we could hear you.
I can't hear you.
Sukrani Subba. Sukrani Subba.
Sukrani. Her name is Sukrani.
Sukrani. That's such a pretty name, Sukrani. And you tell us the adjective now?
Unique Sukhu.
Unique. It cannot be because it's Sukrani. You have to say something with S. जो S से start होता हो.
Sweet Sukhu.
Another sweet girl. Okay, fine. It's okay. Sweet Sukrani. Fine. Thank you. Yeah.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
My name is Durga Maya Subba.
Okay.
Adjective, dance.
Dance you said? So you can say
Dancing.
dancing Durga. Wow,
Very nice.
very nice. Thank you.
My name is Nim Brahmaputya.
Okay.
Nim Brahmaputya.
Okay.
Natural. Natural.
Yeah, but what is the adjective? Dimdoma. What is the adjective?
Natural.
Her name is from N, right? Your name is from N?
Say it again.
Nice.
Nice.
Very
Okay.
nice.
Nice name. Thank you. Hi.
My name is Pooja Haril.
Puja, yeah, Puja.
Perfect.
Perfectionist.
Puja. You said perfectionist? Okay, fine.
Very nice.
Very nice. That's a nice and different adjective.
My name is Manju Kharil. I am of a serious mom.
Mysterious one.
Mysterious Manju, right?
Manju?
Yes, ma'am.
Mysterious Manju.
Very nice.
Nice. So we have to discover a lot of things about you, right? Very nice. Okay.
Thank you, Manju.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
My name is Chandrakala Chetri. Chandrakala.
Louder.
Chandrakala Chetri.
Okay, Chandra. Fine. Yeah.
My recipe is C. Now, I'm a cute and simple girl.
Oh,
Cute Chandra. Lovely. Very, very nice.
nice.
Thank you.
Hi, ma'am. Good morning.
hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Ma'am, my name is Ambika Chetri.
Ankita?
Ambika. Ambika Chetri.
Ambika. Okay, Ambika.
Adjective is active Ambika.
Active Ambika. You are looking very active also. Very nice. Thank you.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Morning. My name is Monita Guru.
Say
Monita.
Manita.
Manita?
Monita Guru.
Okay.
Manita.
Adjective Monita. Mind blowing. Mind blowing.
Mind blowing, Manita. Very nice. Thank you.
My name is Radhika Bonga.
Yeah, hi Radhika.
Adjective name is romantic girl.
Romantic
Romantic
Radhika.
girl.
Now we have two romantic girls here in the group. Thank you.
Very nice.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
My name is Manjana Guru, and I'm a multi-talented girl.
Yeah, you're looking talented, but your name you said is
Manjana.
Panjana.
Manjana, ma'am.
Okay.
M.
So that starts with a P, right?
No, ma'am. M.
Okay, M. So you have to say something from M.
Multi-talented.
Wow, that's a new word. We are impressed.
nice, very
Okay,
nice.
thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi ma'am.
Hi.
My name is Saraswati Guru.
Okay. You're feeling shy. Why?
My name is Saraswati Guru.
Okay.
Any adjective starting from
S.
S?
It's smaller.
What?
Smart. Smarter? You said smarter or smaller?
Smart.
Smart.
Smart. Okay, smart.
Very
Very nice. Thank you. Hi.
Morning ma'am.
Hi, good morning.
I'm Smiley Sabioma.
How sweet, Smiley Saiba. I like it. Very sweet. Thank you. You have a lovely smile.
Hello ma'am.
Hi.
My name is Sonu Rai and I am Selective Sonu.
Selective, you said?
Selective Sonu.
Selective Sonu. Okay. Very nice. Thank you.
Hello ma'am. Good morning.
Hi.
Good
Good
morning.
My name is Niti Chetri
Say again.
and you.
No, we can't hear you at all.
Notice.
I'm sorry, we just can't hear you. Better you have to be louder.
Naughty and naughty.
Naughty.
Naughty, naughty. And what is your name? You said
Niti Chetri.
Niti, right? So you are naughty Niti. Okay, naughty Niti. Nice. Neha, you have a competitor. She's also naughty. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Niti.
Good morning ma'am.
Hi,
Good morning.
I'm Nisa Chetri.
What Chetri? Just say that again.
I'm Nisa Chetri.
Nisha Chetri,
Nisha.
okay?
I am Nisa Chetri.
Okay.
Natural Nisa.
What Nisha?
Natural Nisa.
Natural Nisha. Very
Very nice.
nice. Very nice. Thank you.
Good morning ma'am.
Good morning.
My name is Amrita Biswar and Angel.
Angel.
And
Very nice. Angel Amita.
Angel Amita. Okay,
Very
that's
nice.
great. Wonderful. Okay.
Thank you, Amita.
Thank you.
Hi ma'am.
Hi.
I'm Urmila Devgo and you were unique.
Unique Urmila.
Unique
Very
Urmila?
nice.
Lovely.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so that's it. All the girls have come and introduced themselves.
Okay, before we move ahead, we have a ritual, or you can say an anthem for Anthamini, an action for our finishing school. Everyone's right hand up. Right hand up, everyone. Seedha, bilkul seedha. I can see the girl who's sitting extreme in my front. Seedha haath, bilkul. Okay. At the count of 3, हम सब yes बोलेंगे. क्या बोलेंगे? Yes. Okay, and it has to be louder. ठीक है? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Oh, there's no energy.
I didn't hear. मेरे को तो सुनाई नहीं दिया. क्या
सुना
बोला
नहीं.
उन्होंने नेहा?
Louder.
समझ नहीं आया.
Okay, one more time. Okay, one more time. Right hand up. Again at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. One more time.
Little better.
1, 2, 3. Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? Okay. So when I say who is the best, you will point at yourself and say I am the best. Okay? Who is the best? Who is the best? Pointed towards yourself as you are calling me the best. अपने आप सबको पॉइंट करके हम बोलेंगे हु इज द बेस्ट, द बेस्ट. Very good. It was lovely interacting with you. So I hope you all had a lot of fun. Okay, good, great. Just like we had such an interactive session today, we'll have such interactive sessions every day. हम लोग रोज कुछ नया सीखेंगे. हम आपको यहाँ से सॉफ्ट स्किल्स, इंग्लिश, आपके ट्रेड रिलेटेड स्किल्स आपको प्रोवाइड करेंगे. इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग के लिए स्पेशली वी ऑल वांट टू लर्न इंग्लिश. आई कैन टीच यू फ्रॉम हियर, बट प्रैक्टिस आप लोगों ने करना है. राइट? Right? So from today onwards, you'll make an effort to read at least one article in English every day. Article you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? एक article हम रोज पढ़ेंगे. I'm starting with an article and end up with a book. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So I'll ask you tomorrow how many of you read the article. Okay? Okay, great. And thank you so much. We'll see you off tomorrow now. And have a great, wonderful day. And you all girls should be smiling like this. Hi. Bye-bye. Good day.